I'm so delighted to be out here at French Prairie Gardens, and I'm with Katie. And Katie, you know, you guys are really known for these amazing hanging baskets that you create every single year, and I see that you've jumped into it already.
We have.
You know, because you guys do the buying of your own plants, and we rely on that expertise.
Yes.
So tell me about some of the stuff that's in this one.
Yeah, so this is our 12-inch sun basket. So this is good for 6 hours or more of sunlight. And it features a very nice petunia. It's called Pink Sky.
Beautiful.
It's got that white dotting in it, and it's got some little fine fillers with some lobelia in there. And there's actually a Calibrachoa or million bell. It just quite hasn't peaked out
Right,
yet.
yeah, I see it just starting to pop.
Yeah.
And it's one of the things that I love about you guys is you do a great job of blending your baskets up, and they really are interesting and lovely. So there's a wonderful event that's happening again, and people can actually come to this event and create their own baskets if they want to. So tell me about what's happening.
Yeah, well, it's this Thursday, the 28th, from 3 to 7. And the first 50 ladies that come in and complete our scavenger hunt get a free goodie bag. So it's a fun way to kind of go around the nursery and find different things and clues. And then we have our basket making class. So we'll teach you kind of what we do when we put these together. If you want, you know, your bold and your big chunky and your fine fillers. And there's also some other things like grasses and different things that people can put in to make their own personality.
Right, yeah, and that's one of the fun things about doing some work for yourself on your own hanging baskets is you get to choose the plants, and you have such a great selection already.
Great, yeah, thank you. Yeah, we do, and it's a lot of fun. It's really fun to see what ladies come up with, and you plant them here, or you guys, you and Judy, also help plant for those of you that
we look
don't want
forward to this every year because it is such a fun event, and there's so much interaction. And then you also have some snacks. But you also have other stuff as well?
We do, yes. So we have some light eats from our bakery or soup and salad. And then we also do have 8 taps here. So we have 6 microbrews and 2 ciders. And we'll also have some wine for those of you that would like to do that or enjoy the evening. So
Katie, at this wonderful event, you also have a wonderful plant show and tell. Tell me about that.
That's correct, yeah. So we'll take some of our new varieties, or the new things that are hot, brand new to us. We've mixed them into baskets, and we have our new combinations. And when we do a new combination, we only do maybe 8 or 12 of them just because we don't know what the plant's going to do. So we'll walk them around, show you, give you tips, talk about what we blended them with. And usually the new plant, we only have a certain amount of them. So you want to come early and get those unique plants from us, and we'll tell you tips about them since we grow them here.
Wonderful. Do people just show up, or do you prefer that they maybe give a heads up?
If they do give us a heads up, they get a 20% off of their purchases that night.
Oh, nice.
So it's an RSVP for 20% off. You're more than welcome to just show up as well. But that kind of lets us know how many people are going to be here, and so we're prepared.
And they can just go to your website and sign up for it there?
That's correct.
Wonderful. Well, you know, every single year when Judy and I get the honor of coming out here for this event, we have an absolute blast. So for more information, you can go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website, sign up, come out, and have a wonderful, wonderful time. Thank you so much, Katie.
You're welcome.